2030 was a challenge. So I was requesting all our Rotarians, presidents to start blood donation camp because TTK is dry, Red Cross Society is dry, everybody are dry because of this COVID, they are not able to do that. I think that was really a great move and collecting. I feel as on now 347 what you have collected is the highest I think. Any club has collected.
Give a clap.
No, they are not able to collect actually. 50, 60, 30, 100 was what South Parade did, I was there. 100 plus and 347 as on now you are the highest, I am sure about it.
It's a great teamwork.
Yeah, and no, any teamwork is there. If everybody works, then only things can happen. Even in the district or club or even at home, any small program, if everybody works and it becomes more better and more ideas are there. That is one thing. Second thing is the membership is also increasing and in Vidyanapura and new ideas are coming out. I think we needed one old leader like you to come out and start something.
Give him a clap, yeah.
Yeah. We wanted something, what happens is we have some set of rules in every club, every district. So then, somebody has to break that and go out. Once you start going out, things will change. Because we always think this is all we have. Only once you go out, the perspective will change. And, especially this year, not to talk about Skyrockers team, but especially 2 months, tomorrow if everybody upload the memberships properly tomorrow, the list what we have today, which are not uploaded from past 15-20 days, new members, I think these 2 members you are not putting in.
Only these two. Yes, everyone.
No, have you put it in the WhatsApp? No, that's what it do. New update.
I'll put the number too.
Oh, you put that? Oh, okay. Fine. Now we are almost touching 555 now. 555. So if everything is done, this will be a record break for us tomorrow. So my request to each one of you to follow it up and see that we upload properly in the morning itself, tomorrow morning. That is important, and AG is also here. That is one important thing. Second thing is, as on now, we are number 1 in the world in the membership now, in these 2 months. So you can imagine how, apart from this, we have also done a lot of projects now, health related projects, COVID hospital was one, and we gave the health, thanks to Titan, we have given machineries to them for the COVID testing machines, for the demands now. We gave that on last week itself. And then apart from that, we are going to come up with 2 blood banks now, one here and one in Kolar. So all the funding and other things are already tied up. Place is also given by the hospitals now. One by the Scouts and Guides in Kolar, that is also done. So what I am trying to tell you is, especially this year, the teamwork and the presidents and the AGs or all the team of Skyrockers 2021, they have been working fantastically. And everybody, even though that COVID is there, everybody thought because of COVID, no, nothing is going to move. But everybody are saying that as on date, what has not happened earlier years, this year is happening. Everything is happening. So I always, milestone. Membership, yes. And having 1,000 members in 2 months or 2.5 months is something. Every year we have 600 to 800 1 year membership. This year 2 months we have already crossed 1,000. And as it is, our target is 2,500 now. And we are going ahead with that. Now almost 7 new clubs have started. And yesterday with the junction, they wanted me to talk to L&T last 3-4 days back. I was telling them, why don't you start a corporate clubs? Because these industries are like L&T or any IT industries related. Now they can have their own clubs, because that is going to help them. They have their own place hall, they have their own hall, they'll have their own kitchen, everything. So there's no expenditure for them. And also all the CSR funding can come through that particular club. So then, the Rotary can help them to do how to do this. Example, Vidyanapura, they sponsor one club. If you sponsor one club now, I'm talking corporate clubs now. Corporate clubs, what happens is they have CSR funding. It can come to their club. You can join together, do a bigger project. That will help them. And also the fund is with them only. So they are sure what they are doing it. Enappa ನಾನು 50 ಲಕ್ಷ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದು ಅಂತ ಇದು ಅಂತ 100 questions ಕೇಳೋರು. Their own HR is here. It's very easy for them. So like this I started telling, because in India as such we have not, there's only one in Hyderabad, and I don't know about other places, only one in Hyderabad. So then when ITC started that one. So because you can get more members there. So I requested, so Junction said on a trial basis, why don't you talk to L&T? So I spoke over telephone, they only arranged, we spoke about 4 or 5 days back. And to our surprise, yesterday they have sent 25 members list. 25, and today evening 7 o'clock they are all coming here. So the installation is going to happen. And they were so inspired now after we spoke about this. They spoke to one more company, and I forgot the name, NTF, something like that. They have come with 10 members initially now. Everybody are coming at 7 o'clock today evening, and we are going to install them as members. That's going to be a satellite club. So this is how 3190 is increasing every day, and that's how we are able to touch that 555, you know, it's going on, and so things are happening, projects are happening, and TRF also, a lot of people have donated, major donors. So I also request you to look into that. So slowly you can start, in not one shot, at least in a smaller way you can start it, and it can keep going. And Koti Nati, especially tree planting, is going on tremendously in this thing. Railways are entering into MOU with us now, and already KSRP is in the harping, they want to enter into MOU with us. So BMTC, yesterday they called for a meeting, they want to enter MOU with us for a lot of places they have. They want all that to be converted to hospitals, whatever we want. So they want to be there. And yesterday Kidwai, they want an ambulance. They have already got a bus now, and KSRTC is requesting. They have given them a used Airavata Volvo bus, free of cost. So they called us and said, we will give you if you agree. So we have agreed for that. So they have already allotted one to KSRTC. Now they want that to be converted to blood bank now. So which we have taken the responsibility, Rotary, so you can all be part of it by donating some small monies and be the part of that project. Like this, Vijay, one nimisha, I wanted to introduce him here. So like this, a lot of things are just happening in this district. So I congratulate you. Only it is with the help of all of you people we can do that. Otherwise, district cannot run on its own. One governor cannot do it, or one AG cannot do it. So I thank each one of you for all your thing. So our pleasure, sir, and I'm sure it will be an asset for our Rotary, and especially Vidyaranapura, they will be just loving you to have you as a member of this group. Yes. President, AG, you come.